Higerteng jong candidate ki bala syak select ban yo lek pule biat apo College of Teacher Education Rongkon kabami minta kasni ke Sitrik Jun Arjafan dengan play kat kan notification. The following candidates are selected for undergoing BEd course at College of Teacher Education Rongkon Tura for the academic session 2022-24. The candidate are selected among ST, OBC, others and general category. Kat ka reservation malah select gini. The list of selected candidates in alphabetic order. Kidan Arab Sangur gila select. Mr. Adrio Yani M. Sangma, Alexander Boy, Alkanur Nehar, Alana Tirimchi S. Marak, Bahun Tipasi, Chi Amesa Armarak, Chesil Tin B. Marak, Day Bakor Shasim, Dilme Wachira CH Sangma, Eva Atamchi T. Sangma, Iba Day Shisha Jirat, Joseph Armarak, Mepi Boset Dishira, Mary Jun Lingdo, Mewan Swapatau, Nangkam Armarak, Patya K. Marak, Priya Hajong, Raja Jong Kesnidha, Risa Langkarbteng, Xavier N. Marak, Sharmili CH Momin, Turstia D. Areng, Toda Teinam Lartang, Widamon E. Suting. Arab Sangut pula select banyak lek pulih hapo Rongkon, kini College of Teacher Education Rongkon. Selected candidate are take admission from 6 June 22 to 8 June by depositing admission and other fees in cash counter office of City Tura from 11 AM to 3 PM. Revised fee structure are given in notice board. Okay, to kidon ru saki waiting list kumba khat khandai ngut lada kidon gi bom one kita gi bla yo absan ngut te kin yo regine gi waiting list. Kidon kumba absan ngut te banikong tu non chi bi marak rongrik en sangma ong chime en sangma chaki armarak alaida rakel e sangma angsa e sangma dilseng armarak jimba em marak Kasan Choksim M Sangma, Kalipson E Sangma, Rangi Timti Armarak, Tingchi Ji Sangma, Tengswang M Sangma, Chesterfield M Sangma, Riksang Ji Mumin, Ignatius Armarak, Jiska Ji Mumin, Ratman Ji Mumin, Daril Grimba M Sangma. The student in the waiting list will be notified later to take admission when the seats are vacant. Te Pangil Airo eka revised fee structure namta ka shis namo gane ka kelas. Te namta ki general category shis nam kolong 10,000 kena ispa Nyupsan namta ki SC ST but OBC kadai 10,000 ruspa but namta ki government deputy teacher kadai 10,000 arspa haka shisnam bisa tang lasiu mla aban pen phai biang te tang kinai ki jing pentep pulisbun